No one is going to design your life for you. You have to draw it yourself. And no, I'm not giving any speech. I'm just sharing what I'm learning. Instead of worrying about catching up with the people in some race, I'm choosing small goals. They don't look impressive on paper and they don't match society's rule book, but they work for me. Like challenging myself in simple ways, writing a letter to my future self at 4 am, waking up earlier than usual, drinking my favorite coffee while reading a book, making bracelets or candles, choosing things instead of hanging out with people who feel shallow and make me insecure. I also started writing poems or notes for my insecurities, like dark circles, skin shade, weight, stretch marks. Instead of hating them, I talk to them. I understand them. Sometimes I randomly praise someone for a feature they might be insecure about because I know how much one sentence can change a day. And I talk to non living things. I talk to myself out loud. And honestly, it helps. Let's normalize this. This isn't madness, this is self connection. We don't have to function according to society's manual. We are allowed to design our own system. And talking about relationships, if you are always the giver, pause. Expect to receive. If nothing comes back, move on. That's also self respect. Keep your everyday life busy. Not with noise, but with intention. Decorate your moments, doodle before journaling, paint for a few minutes after a long day, not because it's productive, just because it's your life. Choose silence over arguments, but be ready. If you don't follow society's script, people will judge you, and that's the consequence. It's okay if you are not on the Instagram, it's okay if you don't have friends, it's okay if you cry at night and then smile at yourself into the mirror. Pat your own shoulder. Take the next step. Life is not a race. It's more like a garden. Plant whatever you want. And if you don't fit in, be the sunflower in the bouquet of roses. Because this time, you are drawing your life yourself.